I began my self-directed learning quest by considering several different possible paths to take. I looked into Microsoft certification, digital promise, Common Sense Educator, and even Apple Teacher. However, after conducting a self-evaluation of my current situation, the perfect path to take became clear. As a 6th grade social studies teacher, I use Google tools with my students daily, whether posting assignments on Google Classroom, presenting a slideshow, assigning collaboration projects, or simply having students perform research. The need to refine and enhance my Google Tools skills was clear. Achieving this certification would not only improve my teaching, it would also provide me with a unique credential toward possible advancement within my school district. And so I set out on my quest to achieve a Google Educator Level 1 certification. I learned to improve student collaboration by using Google Doc features. Students can share and edit documents for group work and seamless collaboration. Version history can be used for tracking edits and increased student accountability. Students and I can suggest edits without compromising their work. Commenting can also be used for increased communication and feedback. Students can also easily add citations. Collaboration project assignments can also be improved by creating shared websites on Google Sites. Collaborative work can easily be published to the web and accessed by students and teachers. Additionally, collaboration using Google Slides with group editing privileges can improve student-centered learning activities. Google Classroom is a great platform for student collaboration, as all directions and assignments can be posted and accessed by students. Posting discussion questions and feedback responses in Google Classroom also contributes to student collaboration. YouTube videos can be assigned through Google Classroom as well to support collaborative group work. Fundamentals training provided ways to increase student communication, for example, by using Google Chat and Google Groups. With Google Chat, students can ask questions and receive immediate teacher or peer feedback without clogging email or the Google Classroom feed. Google Groups can be created for convenient access to important group-related emails. Two additional examples include Google Keep and Google Tasks. Google Keep can be used for note-taking and sharing. Google Tasks can be used to make a list that can be shared and edited among students. Fundamentals training also explained how Google search settings and filters can be used to narrow searches and conduct safer searches, and how increased internet safety can be achieved by using better passwords and an incognito window when necessary. This training also provided useful websites and videos about digital citizenship and internet safety to show my students. Training also highlighted ways to use Google tools to improve efficiency, organization, and collaboration with coworkers. For example, in Google Docs, I can share a PLC activity summary with my team members and allow editing permissions. Members can suggest edits and make comments. Version history will allow us to revert back to an earlier version if necessary. In Google Calendar, I can create an event, add a location, set reminders, communicate through Google Keep and Tasks, attach important meeting documents, and create a Google Meeting link. I also learned how to connect with other educators for help. Google for Education help forums are available to post questions for advice. Google Communities are also available to find groups that share a common interest. The Google Help Center is a great resource for asking how-to questions, and my school can also seek training from Google for Education certified trainers. With my Google Educator certification, I will be able to facilitate enhanced student-centered learning activities through refined collaboration. I will also be able to collaborate with colleagues more effectively and efficiently. I plan to offer teachers a Google Tools professional development course. I am also going to take the Google Advanced training and receive a Google Level 2 certification. Finally, I will continue my journey toward receiving my master's in educational technology to advance my career.